Are you ready to ignite your metabolism and torch calories like never before? What if I told you that you could start to transform your body in just one workout? Today, we're diving into a high-intensity workout session designed not just to burn calories, but to supercharge your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning furnace. We'll explore the science behind each exercise, understanding why they work so effectively for rapid weight loss. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, boost your fitness level, or challenge yourself, this workout is your new best friend. Combining the principles of HIIT, high-intensity interval training, with strength training, we'll maximize your calorie burn during and after your workout. Let's kick things off with our first exercise, burpees, a full-body exercise that targets almost every muscle group. Burpees not only burn many calories, but also elevate your heart rate significantly, promoting cardiovascular health and rapid fat burn. Next up, mountain climbers. This exercise is fantastic for building core strength and agility, simulating a climbing motion in a plank position, and rapidly moving your legs. It's a calorie scorcher because it's high intensity and engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Moving on to kettlebell swings. By swinging the kettlebell, you engage the large muscles of your hips, core, and shoulders, developing power and generating a massive metabolic spike. This exercise leverages the concept of high-intensity power training, which helps increase your metabolic rate for hours after you finish working out. Don't forget about jump squats. These take regular squats to the next level by adding a jump for explosive power training. They work your legs and lower body and challenge your cardiovascular system, pushing your body to burn more calories. Now, while you catch your breath, let's quickly talk about metabolism. Why do you think these exercises help you lose fat more effectively than a steady-state cardio session? Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll explain the science behind it after this next set. So why are these exercises so effective? When you perform high-intensity activities, your body requires more energy, leading to a higher oxygen consumption. This phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect, or scientifically, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPIC. This means your body continues to burn calories at a higher rate even after your workout is done. We've pushed through a series of exercises that are proven not just by science, but by real-world results to maximize your calorie burn and enhance your metabolic rate. That said, thank you for watching. If you're pumped to see more transformations and want to keep blasting through calories with us, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Get ready to turn up the heat and watch the pounds melt away.